Let's see how to change the taskbar size on Windows 11. This will require you to install a program called Windhawk. Open your browser, then go to windhawk.net. Click on Download. And launch the setup. Click on Next, Next again, and Install. Leave Run Windhawk ticked as you click on Finish. In Windhawk, go to Explore, and under Taskbar Height and Icon Size, click on Details. Then click on Install, and install again. In the Settings tab of the mod, you can now set the icon size, taskbar height, and taskbar button width. To apply, click on Save Settings. That's how to change the taskbar size on Windows 11. See you soon!